Hello, this is Dr. Luke Reineck with Living with Motion Chiropractic. Today we're going to talk about the number 5th most frequently asked question about chiropractic. That question is, do your children need chiropractic care? The answer is absolutely. Let me explain that. Most people relate, may not understand why a child will need chiropractic care. They don't have aches, pains, they're not old. But believe it or not, a lot of trauma can occur at the birthing process, even back to when they're that young. A lot of parents get their newborns checked for what we call subluxations, and that is any kind of restriction in the spine that might be putting interference to the nervous system. So a lot of childhood health complaints typically are brushed off and then emerge later in life when we're adult, where we start to feel those aches and pains and whatnot. Obviously, scoliosis is a big one that is screened during adolescent years in schools, but even small changes in the spine can put pressures on the nervous system that can affect us down the road into developing aches, pains, and several other issues. I would say with 100% certainty that every child that comes in the office loves getting adjusted. It is not a traumatic, scary thing for them. The adjustment for a child is a lot different than an adult, and you just have to relate that to maybe a handshake, where if I were to shake an adult's hand, it might be more firm than if I was going to go up to a 3-year-old toddler and shake their hands, more gentle. We also use certain techniques that are more conservative and gentle for younger children that maybe are newborns, where it's just a very light pressure to fix the spine. So that answers the question, if your child should seek chiropractic care. Probably the number one child I see is constant ear infections, where the upper neck is not moving correctly, the ears cannot drain, and therefore they're becoming infected with chronic ear infections. So I urge you to come get your child adjusted. Talk to family members that have maybe been to a chiropractor to find the one that's right for your family. Thank you.
To learn more and access our Chiropractic Consumer Awareness Guide, visit us at www.cincinnatiFamilyChiropractic.com.